Loosen the wheel nuts. Raise the car with a jack and install a safety stand. Unscrew the nuts and remove the wheel. Bend the edge of the nut with a small chisel. Fix the brake disc with a screwdriver. And screw the hub nut. Knock out the CV joint. Remove the nut. Unscrew the caliper bolts. Remove the caliper. Remove the brake pads. Attach the caliper to the shock absorber. And screw the bracket. Remove the brake disc. Unscrew the 4 hub bolts. Remove the ABS sensor. Use a chisel to knock off the hub. Remove the protective cover from the hub. Straighten the bent part of the casing. Clean the hub seat. Here is the hub part number. The new hub should fit into place without any effort. Clean the hub from dirt. Clean the outside of the steering knuckle with a file. Clean the ABS sensor installation area. Install the hub bolts. Install the new hub into the protective cover. Install the hub in place. Tighten one hub bolt. Tighten the remaining hub bolts. Tighten the hub nut. Tighten the hub bolts. Install the brake disc. Secure it with a nut. Install the brake bracket. Install the brake pads. Install the brake caliper. Tighten the caliper bolts. Install the ABS sensor. And screw the nuts. Secure the brake disc with a screwdriver. Tighten the hub nut with a torque of approximately 190 Nm. Bend the edge of the hub nut. Install the wheel. Tighten the wheel nuts. Remove the car from the jack. Tighten the wheel nuts.